I mean, we were doing some mad skids, but George fucked up. This is my friend Omar's car. He broke the CV axle and he destroyed his tire. Can you guys see that? So you gotta change the axle and he needs a new tire. A day or two has passed since I went to my friend's house and we went to that dealership just to look around. And also I bought a mic off of my friend, a Rode mic. I bought a Rode mic off of my friend, but it didn't come with the mount, so I really can't mount it on. But I really don't know where to buy one. I'm gonna have to buy one. I need to look around. I'll probably go to Best Buy or something to find one. But what I'm thinking about doing is probably just going outside to the front yard, or like not the front yard, going outside to the street and just like riding a little bit of flat like on the street, just because I really don't have anything to do, so I might as well just do that. We're gonna go outside and I'm gonna just do a couple of tricks outside in the front for a little bit because I'm bored. So yeah, we'll do that. What I did, because since I don't have the mount for right now, and I really wanted to try the mic that I got, so what I did, I like jerry rigged the hell out of this. So I put some tape, I don't know if you guys can see it, well, I put some tape on the boot cover or whatever for the camera where the mic goes. So I put some tape on this, and on top of that I put some tape on the bottom of this right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just tape those two together, put the mount on, and tape the mic on top. Here, like, let me show you guys. Okay, so I don't know if you guys could see, but I literally just taped up the whole thing. It's taped up right here because the wire is pretty long. Taped it on the sides right here. You guys really can't see it on both sides. Right here on the front, some under. I taped it right here. I don't know how to show you guys. I taped it right here so the cable's off to the side. It's a pretty long cable, so I wrapped it up. But then I'll plug it in. And yeah. So I'm gonna plug it in. Tell me if the audio sounds different, if you guys like it. So the new audio is right here. Tell me if you guys think the audio sounds better. I'm gonna buy a new stand, or I'm gonna buy a mount for it pretty soon. I just gotta find it. But yeah, tell me what you guys think about it. So literally, as I was talking about getting a new mount for this new mic that I have, Rode emailed me back because I was emailing their customer support or whatever, and they just emailed me back now, and they told me that they'll send me a replacement part for the mount for this mic. So that's really cool of them. So a huge shout out to Rode's customer support. We're gonna go to that big parking lot, whatever area. I'll see you guys there. Alright, so change of plans. It got dark and it was too cold outside, so we didn't really want to go right outside for like 15 minutes. It wasn't worth it. My friend Gio is going to Evolve, and so is Dante, so I'm probably going to go to Evolve for a little bit. I'm going to try to ride. I didn't really ride that much. I'm going to actually try to ride besides the Foam and Rosie, like the actual park. So I'm going to go right now. I'm going to take my brother. First, I need to buy a new battery for this mic, because the battery's starting to die, so I'll probably stop at like Family Dollar or something and buy a battery. But yeah, so let's go.
What's solid, dude?
Dante!
What's up?
You get this bar now?
Yeah.
Alright, right now, let's go.
I don't know what. If I do it, dude, I'm gonna be pissed.
Alright, let's see it. Damn! Dante,
What's up?
let's see that toe whip on that round thing.
I'll get it good this time.
Alright. Good job.
Thank you.
Are you gonna get that bar, Gio?
Yeah, right here.
Alright, let's see it. Oh, Dante just ate it. Damn it, Gio. Shake my head. Where's that dollar at?
Right here.
Give him the dollar. Oh.
Hold on. Here's the dollar.
Good job. Good job.
I had to throw it. Activation. All right, right here. Again.
Let's see you truck that thing again.
Okay.
And then maybe I'll try to get some clips.
Okay.
Can you
I
toe
got
whip it?
this. Huh?
Can you toe whip it?
Twice in a row? Oh, vegan.
I'm just throwing it.
Vegan.
Wherever it catches, I catch.
Vegan. Good job. Good job.
Oh, sorry.
Do tricks because I'm too lazy. Okay?
Okay. That's
Gio.
a good innovation.
Let's see you do some tricks.
I'll do a barrel.
Really? Okay, let's see it right now. After this kid. After this kid. Let's see it. Oh, damn. What do you got? What do you got? What do you got? What you
Do an
got?
opposite tail whip.
Oh, okay, let's see it right now. Go. 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 You messed up, man.
Huh?
You messed up. Are you
So
okay?
dumb, that hurt.
Are you okay, Dante?
Yeah, that hurt. It's so dumb.
It got so tight, so good. I gotta get out of here. Dante, you know what will match those bars?
Huh.
This right here. Look. Please. Oh, can I get them off? You need this. You need this. It'll make your bike look
Get a
better.
better seat to begin with.
Oh, oh my god, what is that?
Mirror.
Sponsor Dante.
Oh god.
Put this back.
What?
I'm back!
Congratulations.
Yeah, it's too packed.
It is really packed today.
Oh,
I'm looking at the lens now.
hey, don't flip my camera.
I'm sorry.
That's disrespectful.
Did you see that barrel roll though?
Yeah, kinda.
Kinda?
Yeah, I got you landing
It was more
it.
of a backflip.
Yeah.
I hurt my ankle though. I sucked it up and I almost cleared the whole wrist. When I sucked it up, I like landed all stupid and then boom, my ankle.
Oh, finally. Oh, but then he messed up.
Barrel roll, right here.
Oh, let's see it right now.
I hurt my ankle really bad, so hopefully
All
I
one
can get it.
clip. Let's see it right now. I ain't gonna stop the
Hold on.
film.
I'm sorry about your clip, but it's gonna have to wait because that
No, oh my god, you're trash. That's when you know you're trash.
I did not hear a word you said. What?
You're trash.
Garbage?
Garbage.
Okay, wait.
Garbage.
Alright.
Let's see it right now. Go. Oh damn. Barrel roll. Oh. Yeah.
Was that a barrel? More of a backflip.
Was that a good barrel roll or a bad flip?
That was just a crooked backflip.
You messed up.
That's why what was it? Crooked.
A back flip.
That's why you land crooked. You're basically just like tilting it a little bit and spinning it. You messed up on a whip to bar? What?
Tell me about it, Dante. Why are you messing up?
Too much on my brain.
It's so packed everywhere we go.
My wheels rubbing.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, you got in the way, Gio.
The other way.
Thank you, mate.
What kind of pussy shit?
Nigga.
There we go.
Yeah. That got me really tired. I'm out of breath.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm out of shape right now.
That's not good.
First thing I've done in like the last 30 minutes and I'm already tired.
You need some help to go chill. Huh?
It's honestly better. Yo! Danny!
Can I get a phone clip?
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
That's the worst that's happened. That's why I wear gloves, because I did a bar spin and that happened.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you okay?
I honestly really don't care, but once it starts gushing out blood, then we have a problem.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I have white.
Wait, what was it? Was that a look back? Yeah.
Can you double chuck Resi right now?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Try it. Double truck. Probably, maybe. Want me to try it?
Yeah, try it. Thanks.
That's speed.
Danny's street master. You can do anything. Speed isn't everything, man.
I know.
Like,
I'm scared to do bar spins really fast. While going really fast, not doing fast. Can't even do them fast.
practice. Throw one in the phone.
Fuck that. That is one thing I'll never do. Bar into foam. I'll die.
Wussy.
Nope. I'd rather do it flat. I'd rather do a bar
Alright, then
flat.
right now.
Now, this is too small. I'll
No,
hit it
then
somewhere.
shut up. Nut up or shut up. Oh. Snake.
want you to film.
I know, like,
Brother. Oh, who's playing this song?
That's copyright to the max.
what do you want? On that quarter? Check. That's the only one I can do it on. It's old. It's hard on that one. Yeah.
Damn, first try? Oh yeah. Oh, the shirt. That's just a good shirt.
You almost had it. What? Almost.
Right here.
Alright. We're rolling. There you go. Hell yeah. And the bar spin.
Alright, so it's the next morning. I just woke up, but I forgot to close this video out, so I'm gonna just close it out now. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll catch you guys up in the next video. Peace out.